friends, this video is very informative for those people who want to learn metal welding, the procedure of forgings. So friends, in this video you can learn how to make a sharp knife and is covered with old and waste metal and wood. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, and if this video is very informative for you, so please share it with your friends and family, and press bell icon for more informative videos like this. So let's watch the video till end and stay tuned with me. So let's start the video, and don't forget to, again I request you, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos like this. So let's start the video and stay tuned with me in the end of the video. Friends, please tell me in the comments section what did you learn in this video. Did this video is informative for you or not? Give me a suggestion. I can upload more and more videos like this if you have a little bit information in this video. So thanks for watching my video. So subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and press bell icon for more informative videos like this. I will upload more and more videos for you on this channel. Please stay tuned with me.